Welcome to the Perinton Recreation and Parks Department. Today we'll guide you through creating a profile on WebTrac and renting a building or shelter in one of our beautiful parks. First, visit WebTrac and click on Sign Up Now. Enter your username, password, and personal information. Then click Save. Next, check your email for a verification message. Click Verify Email to confirm your profile. In 1 to 3 business days, you'll receive an approval email. Once approved, return to WebTrac and sign in with your new profile. Click on Park Rentals. Select your desired date and search for available buildings or shelters. Add your choice to the cart. Fill out the rental details, review the rules and regulations, and click Continue. Verify your rental time, date, and information, then proceed to checkout. Enter your payment information and complete the checkout process. You'll receive a confirmation email with your purchase details. If you have any questions, call the Perinton Parks Department for assistance.